Restful Reading and Returning to Junior Voices, Book 1, First Edition, an anthology of poetry and pictures, edited by Geoffrey Summerfield, 1970. I turn to this page and look at these poems, perhaps, short stories, verses, cures. Let's see. 2 charms to cure hiccups. Number 1. Hiccup, hiccup, go away. Come again another day. Hiccup, hiccup, when I bake, I'll give you 2 a butter cake. Butter cake, I wonder what that is. Maybe that's one to Google. What about this second option? Hiccup, snick up, rise up, right up. 3 drops in a cup. And good for the hiccup. Okay. Maybe that may or may not work for you. But here, a charm to cure burns. 2 angels from the north, one brought fire, the other brought frost. Out fire, in frost, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Burns I cannot cure, but a suggestion about scalds. Keep your scalded area under cold running water for as long as you dare to ease that pain. Now then, charm to cure warts, indeed. Ash tree, ashen tree, pray by this wart of me. I'd still go see a doctor, but good morning to your Valentine. Curl your locks as I do mine, one before and one behind. Good morning to your Valentine. That's a story of love. Maybe it's a poem for another month. Try February. And last but not least today, Punky Night or Halloween. It's Punky Night tonight. It's Punky Night tonight. Give us a candle, give us light. It's Punky Night tonight. Now that is definitely one to Google, because punky is not a word I've heard of before. Certainly not to mean Halloween.